17 straight hours of snow here in Washington, D.C. We are right in front of the Capitol here, where about a foot of snow has fallen so far. Of course, that's expected to continue. We might get up to 20 to 30 inches by the time this is all said and done on Sunday morning, Sunday afternoon. Snow has been falling at about 1 inch to 2 inches per hour. And perhaps the real story is also the wind. Wind gusts have been 30, 40 miles per hour. Capitol Police here, take a look at this. They actually had to sort of hunker down, as they say, and park on the street here and stay inside a Hyatt hotel overnight just so they wouldn't be snowed out from the Capitol. So they'd